Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in the beginning here, I'm going to be doing a bit of a ramble fest. So I'll probably try to put a timestamp to where you can jump ahead if you just want to get right into the haul. So first thing, I am getting close to 3,000 subscribers and I want to do some sort of giveaway, but I'm not really sure what I want to do. So if you guys have any ideas, can you comment them down below, like what you would like to see? I'm kind of thinking, this is kind of like my thought process is, most of you guys are probably here for wax. So I was thinking of maybe taking, since I feel like I have a pretty like large selection of wax, that I could put a wax package together with different scents from different vendors, maybe new vendors that you've never tried before. It'd be a good way to try a bunch of vendors all at once. Or I was thinking of maybe getting like a package together of like some random things with some wax. I'm not really sure. So if you have any ideas, let me know like what you guys would like to see. I'm still not quite there yet, but I'm pretty dang close. So if you are kind of here and you're not subscribed, I would appreciate it if you did subscribe. That would be awesome. Let's see. What else was I gonna say? Oh, I am taking kind of a little bit of a poll. So just kind of a fun little poll. It's not that big of a deal really. In the comments down below, if you are still like into summer, leave me a summer emoji, like, you know, a sun or swimming or whatever, bikini. If you are ready for fall, put down a fall emoji. I don't know why. For some reason, I feel like I'm into fall super early this year. Like I am, like my background will probably be changing like within the next week. I'm ready to put up some fall stuff, some Halloween stuff. I don't care. I am just ready for like pumpkins galore. I'll probably be looking for some pumpkins to add to my decor this year. And I've already been seeing some Halloween type fall pumpkin-ish hauls like here and there on YouTube, and so yeah, I'm ready. I'm sorry if you hear the fan next to me. I have it on. It is hotter than Hades here today. Well, actually, who's kidding? It's been like that every day. So anyways, all right, I have quite a few hauls to catch up on. I am way behind. I have not felt like filming the last week or two. As some of you guys know, we are getting ready to send my daughter off to college, and so we've been preparing. If you guys have sent a kid off to college, you know like all the things you have to like gather and get together, and it's kind of like they're moving into their own little apartment. Although the amount of stuff we have so far, like I don't know, I'm not really sure where it's all gonna go. Like I've seen some of these dorm rooms that some of the kids have moved into, and I'm like, holy crap, that's small, but we will make it work. All right, so I'm behind. Like I said, I'm behind in filming. I have some fun videos that I want to do, but I'm going to do those later. I'm just going to get the hauls out of the way. So you'll kind of see some uploads sporadically. Like I kind of schedule things out most of the time. So that's how it's going to be. Let's go ahead and jump into, oh, well, this is Rainbow Melts. First of all, let's get that out of the way. This is a Rainbow Melts. This is her pre-order from the, I think it was her summer pre-order. I think I got this about 2 weeks ago, maybe last week sometime. I can't remember, to be honest. So the first sample that I have here is Plum Spooky, and this is spiced plum and black pepper. I thought this was a shape, but she went like real basic with this one. I was like, usually Crystal does like these shapes, elaborate shapes and whatnot. You know, having the fan on is probably not the best idea because it's like directly on me, so like scent is like flying past me. So what I can tell, this is like a spicy plum scent. I won't go into too much detail on that because I like to warm things before, you know, I really say one thing or another. Caramel apple bake, or caramel, however you say it. Baked apples, caramel, and pecans. I did order from her her Halloween or her fall pre-order. So we've got a fun skull. This one I love. This is a great fall. Okay, this is gonna be really hard with the fan on me, but anyways, it's caramel apples pretty much. I'm kind of picking up the pecans in there, like the nuttiness of the pecans, really nice. I really like this one. This is a great like Halloween fall scent, which I'm totally into right now. So part of the summer pre-order was a mix of scents and she was doing these, I guess, I can't remember what she calls them, but they're like these huge bars. They look like they remind me of Sassy Girl Aroma bars. I think Sassy Girl Aroma has like a little emblem in them. But you know, the whole reason I wanted to place this order was for this scent right here. That's it. I wanted like the one scent, and then I kept looking at her scent list and I was like, oh, I see other things too. So this is Warm Sweater, this is Warm Vanilla Sugar, Brown Sugar Fig, and Clean Cotton. You guys know I've been obsessed with like Warm Vanilla Sugar and Brown Sugar Fig scents. So that's exactly why I participated. And this one is really, really good. Everything is really well blended in here. You get a nice mix of the Brown Sugar Fig and the Warm Vanilla Sugar. The Clean Cotton is not overpowering in this. Sometimes Clean Cotton can overpower, like I have found with other vendors. Sometimes Clean Cotton just overtakes the whole dang thing. So really like that one. Glad I got that one. Rain or Shine is Sweet Rain and Lemon Sunshine. I have been in love with just lemon scents, like not bakery lemon, not lemon curd, just lemon. So this one, you can tell she's got all these sprinkles on there, glitter. I think she said in one of her lives she doesn't like to do glitter, but I'm kind of glad she did. So this one, let's see, Sweet Rain, Lemon Sunshine. I don't know how I feel about this one. I don't love it, I don't hate it. Definitely getting the lemon scent pretty strongly. Not going to judge this one too harshly because, again, cold sniff really doesn't mean anything. Okay, the next one I got is Whip It. I have been obsessed with pineapple, and honestly, I think I overdid it on the pineapple. So this is frozen pineapple chunks and sweet coconut milk. So there's that. Just a plain yellow bar. This one is good. I like the sweet coconut milk in this one. It's not a sour milk. It's just like a sweet, just like it says, sweet milk. Coconutty. It goes well with the pineapple. I mean, pineapple and coconut are kind of synonymous with each other. I like this one a lot. I kind of overdid it on the pineapple. I think I already said that though. I don't know what possessed me because I usually never buy anything with pineapple in it, and this year, like this summer, for some reason pineapple has been a big thing for me. Okay, the next one I have is Coastal Mist, and this is Sweet Citrus, Salty Air, Juniper, Sea Moss, and Teak Wood, and so there's that. So this one, oh, this isn't the one. I thought this one had the ozone in it. This one smells kind of like that. Though, this one is pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, okay, so sorry. I keep making that like, So the salty air isn't like the normal salty sea air that I'm used to. I for some reason, I'm smelling like that ozone, like a crisp, more of like a sharper air, if that makes sense. I kind of smell the juniper in there, and I only know juniper from sweater weather, so that's all I have to base that on. I feel like this is probably a single oil, and I'm not familiar enough to know what it is. I'm sure if like you Googled this, you could probably figure out what it is, but I feel like that's probably a single note oil somewhere because those always throw me off. I'm like, what the hell am I smelling here? The next one I got is Salt Life. This is Sea Salt, Lime Margarita, and Ocean Breeze. I love margarita scents, so I was like, well, with the Ocean Breeze, can't really go wrong. This one is definitely, it's different than I thought it was going to be. You definitely get the salty margarita. The Ocean Breeze. I don't know. I'm going to be saying that a lot because the fan's kind of like I said, the fan's like blowing at me, so it's going to be hard to smell. And plus, I'm not editing this video, so I'm not going to sit around here. Like usually when I edit, I know I can just sit around and sniff for a long time and try to figure things out, but I don't want to do that today. Okay, so Harmony is Sea Breeze, Fresh Ozone, Soft Floral, Moss, and Sandalwood. I love the Sea Breeze scent and Fresh Ozone. It's kind of like what I mean, like Fresh Ozone to me kind of has like that sharp air scent. I don't know quite how to describe it, but it's like stronger than salty sea air. and it feels more salty for some reason. Anyway, she put some fun little glitter things on here. I don't know what those are, but they're fun. Yeah, this one, this one is very strong. Now I'm getting a little bit of the, it reminds me of, I think I'm smelling the sandalwood because it's reminding me of something. This one I think I'll like. It's very clean. It's got a little bit of the sandalwood going on in there, so we'll see. The next one I have is Fresh Pick Linen. This is Fresh Pick Strawberries and Gain. Now this is, so Super Tarts does a scent very similar to this, or I think it's Fresh Pick, well I say similar to this because it's not exactly like hers, but it's the same scent notes. For some reason I cannot find one that smells exactly like Brandy's does, so I'm kind of like, I don't know, I kind of need Brandy just to do hers, but each one is unique and each one smells different to me, but I mean they all are kind of the same concept and they're all good. Like to me, this one in here, the one that Crystal did, there's something a little bit different about this one than the one I got from Super Tarts, and I'm not really sure what it is, but it just smells different. You know, it's going to smell different because it's in different wax, different vendor, all that stuff. So I feel like the Gain is almost kind of like kind of complementing the strawberries, or I don't know. But anyways, that is that. And the last one I had to get is Nightcap, and that is Starbucks coffee, coconut cream pie, and whipped cream. And there we go. And this is just that sweet, creamy coffee scent. We all know it. It's, I mean, pretty standard. This one has just the right amount of coffee though. It's not too light on the coffee, but it's just got enough coffee to make it nice. I like this one. So the order in total came wrapped up super nice. Like Crystal is kind of known, or at least that's how I know her, to have this really nice packaging. I mean, none of the bars came broken. She had everything really wrapped up really well. Everything of hers is always very clean. Like her bags never look smudgy. Just everything is super clean. So there's also a time I wanted to mention too, because there was a time that I didn't order from Rainbow Melts, and there wasn't a reason for that. It's just that she closed down for a little bit, and then when she kind of reopened, I kind of wasn't buying for a little while, and then I just never caught a restock. And so there really hasn't been a reason why I haven't been purchasing from Rainbow Melts. I've always really liked Rainbow Melts, but it's kind of like, you know, how vendors kind of fall off your radar and then you find new ones and, you know, all that mess. So I don't want you guys to think like, oh, why did she stop ordering from Rainbow Melts and then now she's ordering again? Because I think I did a haul like a month ago on her ready to ship scent shots that she had. So there is that. But I did order from her fall Halloween like pre-order. I think it's supposed to be like spooky shapes or something, so that should be fun. But yeah. So anyways, all right, I'm going to come back with another haul and I will see you guys shortly. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not checked out Rainbow Melts, go see what she's got going on. She'll usually do some kind of pre-order. I know she's been putting up ready to ship on her site kind of on the regular now. So yeah, go ahead and check her out. Trying to think, the last order I got from her is really good too. So yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.